Thank you.
500 pesos. Thank you for making business. Say hi.
Hello.
That's Ate Lot. Guys, hi. Good morning to each every one of you. See that? This could be my day 17 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. And day 17 for my 1 million peso saving challenge. Oh my god. Guys and girls, see that? You can do it also. Save money, invest, enjoy. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. It's 500 pesos. 1 million pesos saving challenge. But for now,